Welcome to AI in 8 minutes or less, your daily AI update. Today, we're diving into a tool that might just flip the script on how software gets built. It's called Claude Code, and believe me, it's way more than just another AI assistant. The goal here is something much bigger, a true AI partner for developers.
So let's just start with a wild idea. What if you could describe an app you want in a single sentence and an AI doesn't just suggest some code? I mean, what if it plans the entire project, writes all the files, and then shows you a working version almost instantly? Well, that's the big promise behind Claude Code.
So how exactly does it move beyond just finishing your lines of code? Well, Claude Code is a fully integrated environment. You got to think of it less like a spell checker for your code and more like an expert co-pilot sitting right there next to you for the entire project. The secret sauce here is powered by these AI agents. You give them a goal and they just handle the rest. We're talking everything from creating a super detailed plan and writing the code to even spinning up a live preview of the app for you. This just completely changes the entire development workflow. Now, you've got two main ways to interact with this whole system. You can use the good old command line terminal, or you can use a dedicated desktop app. Each one gives you a different kind of feel and control. The terminal, yeah, it gives you that raw, direct control that so many developers love. But the desktop app, that's where the most powerful features really get unlocked. It has a much richer interface, and most importantly, an integrated live preview. And trust me, that's where the groundbreaking stuff happens, so that's where we're going to focus. Inside that desktop app, the entire process is built around this simple but incredibly powerful loop: plan, build, and preview. Here's how it works. You kick things off with a simple goal, right? Something like, build a chat app with a pixel art theme. The AI then generates a really detailed plan for you to look over. Once you say, yep, looks good, you grant it access and it just starts coding. The final step? You get a live interactive preview of the application as it comes to life. And this is where it feels like actual magic. You can click on any element in that live preview, a button, a text box, whatever, and just tell the AI what you want to change. Make this button green, or hey, can you fix this alignment? The AI understands the context and makes the change right then and there. It's basically visual debugging with an AI partner you can talk to. But what if the AI could keep working on your project even when you're offline? That's the whole idea behind a feature called routines, and this is what takes the tool to a whole new level of automation. So a routine is pretty much a standing order for your AI agent. It's an automated task that runs on your code up in the cloud, and you can have it triggered by a schedule, an API call, or even a webhook. The developers who made it put it perfectly. They said, quote, it's basically agents running 24/7. You don't even have to be on your computer. I mean, just let that sink in. Your code is always being worked on. And the use cases for this are just so practical. Imagine setting up a routine that performs a full code review every single day. The AI can scan for bugs, fix them, create a pull request on GitHub for a human to approve, and then it sends you a neat little email summary of everything it did. That's a huge amount of manual work just automated away. So when you combine all these features, you start to realize this isn't just about coding faster. It's about fundamentally changing the role of a developer. So let's bring it all together. The key takeaways here are massive. You can now go from a single prompt to a full application. You can use integrated live previews for super fast debugging. You can leverage 24/7 cloud automation with routines, and you can collaborate with the AI from anywhere, even your phone. This all leads to a massive question for the future of development. As these tools evolve, what becomes the more valuable skill? Writing flawless code or writing the perfect prompt that guides an AI to write it for you? It's a paradigm shift that's definitely worth thinking about. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to AI in 8 minutes and never miss what matters.